The lever to the right of the steering column controls your windshield wipers and washer. Turn the end of the lever to the first 4 positions for intermittent settings, with a variable pause from long to short. Turn to the first position past intermittent for low-speed wipers, or to the second position for high-speed wipers. Push the lever up to the missed position for a single wipe cycle, or push and hold for temporary high-speed operation. The rain-sensing wiper feature senses moisture on the windshield and automatically activates the windshield wipers. You can activate the system through your touchscreen and adjust rain-sensing sensitivity with the wiper delay control. Delay position 1 is the least sensitive, and position 4 is the most sensitive. To use the washer, pull and hold the lever toward you for as long as washer spray is desired. The washer and wipers will operate as long as you hold the lever in this position, and the front cameras, if equipped, will be washed as well. To activate the rear window wiper, turn the control to the first position for intermittent operation. Turn it to the second position for continuous operation. To use the rear washer, push and hold the control away from you. Whenever the rear washer is activated, any rear cameras will be washed as well. You'll find the headlight control switch on the left side of the instrument panel. Turn the control to the first position for parking lights. Turn it to the second position for headlights. You can also turn the control to the auto position. In this position, the headlights will turn on or off automatically based on the surrounding light levels. To activate the fog lights, turn on the parking lights, or the low-beam headlights, or put the switch in the auto position. Then, push in the headlight control switch. Push the switch in a second time to turn the fog lights off. With the parking lights or headlights on, or with the switch in the auto position, rotate the right dimmer control to increase the brightness of your instrument panel lights. Rotate to the next position to brighten the instrument cluster display and radio controls. Rotate the left dimmer control to adjust the interior ambient light levels. The lighting colors can be selected in the Uconnect system. Zone 1 includes the instrument panel and door panels. Zone 2 includes the front seat footwells, the space below the second row seats, and the map pockets on all 4 door panels. You can set these zones to different colors, or press the Sync button in the Settings menu to set the zones to the same color. All other ambient lighting will remain white, and the left dimmer control will adjust all interior ambient lighting at the same time. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.